हेलो गाइस, एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं। सीखो एग्जैक्ट सिस्टम जो टॉपर्स यूज करते हैं, शेड्यूल से लेकर एग्जाम डे तक। बडी, एग्जाम्स आर कमिंग वेरी क्लोज नाउ। डू नॉट वरी, वी विल प्रिपेयर टुगेदर। I do not know where to start at all. First thing, make a daily schedule. First thing, make a daily schedule. What does schedule mean? Schedule means a plan for each day. Schedule means a plan for each day. Okay, how many hours should I study every day? Study 4 to 5 hours every day. Study 4 to 5 hours every day. Where is the best place to study? Study in a quiet place. Noise breaks focus. All at once or with breaks in between. Take a break every 45 minutes. Take a break every 45 minutes. Why is a break so important? Break helps your mind rest and concentrate better. Break helps your mind rest and concentrate better. That makes sense. What about my phone? Phone is the biggest distraction. Keep it away. Phone is the biggest distraction. Keep it away. How do I keep my phone away? Put phone in another room when you study. Put phone in another room when you study. But what if someone calls me? Tell your family, study time, no calls please. Tell your family, study time, no calls please. Now let us talk about how to memorize. Memorizing feels very hard for me. Write what you read. Writing helps you memorize fast. Write what you read. Writing helps you memorize fast. And what do I do after writing? Write, read, close book, then recall. Write, read, close book, then recall. This is called the revision method. What does revision mean? Revision means reading your notes again and again. Revision means reading your notes again and again. How many times should I revise before exam? Revise at least 2 times before your exam. Revise at least 2 times before your exam. One more problem. I always delay my work. This is called procrastinating. Always saying I will do it later. This is called procrastinating. Always saying I will do it later. Yes, that is exactly what I always do. Fix this. Start with the hardest topic first. Start with the hardest topic first. Do the hard work when your mind is fresh. Do the hard work when your mind is fresh. So, morning time is the best to study? Yes, morning is the best time to study. Yes, morning is the best time to study. What about sleep? How much should I sleep? 8 hours of sleep every night is a must. 8 hours of sleep every night is a must. But I have a habit of studying at night. Night study is fine, but complete your sleep. Night study is fine, but complete your sleep. Keep drinking water while you study. Yes, water keeps your mind active and fresh. That is a very easy tip to follow. I feel very nervous on the day of the exam. That is normal. Everyone feels this way. How do I stay confident on exam day? Confident people also fear, but they still attempt. Confident people also fear, but they still attempt. What does attempt mean? Attempt mean to start even when you feel scared. Attempt mean to start even when you feel scared. Now tell me 5 tips for exam day. 1. Sleep well the night before your exam. 1. Sleep well the night before your exam. 2. Eat breakfast before you leave for exam. 2. Eat breakfast before you leave for exam. 3. Reach the exam hall early. 3. Reach the exam hall early. 4. Read all questions before you start. 4. Read all questions before you start. 5. Attempt easy question first. Attempt easy question first. These tips are very useful. Thank you so much. Practice every day. You will achieve great marks. Practice every day. You will achieve great marks. I will follow all these tips from today itself. Very good. The small steps help you achieve big things. Yes, I feel much more ready now. I feel much more ready now. Tell us in comments when is your exam. Write in English, it will be great practice. Write in English, it will be great practice.